Alright, YouTube. What I'm going to show you today is how to repack the bearings in your on your trailer. But this could work on a car. This could work on a whatever you want it to work on. You know, it doesn't really matter. But the first thing you have to do is you have to take this cap off right here, which I'm going to do. And then the only thing you really need is a screwdriver, which I have here. You might need some like big pliers or channel locks, you know, which I also have. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take it off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, here's your channel locks, by the way. I don't know if you can see that, but you know, what first thing you want to do is you want to pry this loose. You know, try to get this loose. If it's been up here since Skippy was a puppy, you know, it might take you a while. But here we go. We got it coming off here pretty good. Alright, so you just go around it and give it a little twist, about 30-40 degrees, you know, until you can get it all the way around. And then once it starts to come loose, you take your adjustable pliers, channel locks, whatever you want to call them, and you just kind of wiggle it back and forth. Alright, now this is what the inside looks like. It looks pretty thirsty to me. Alright, so you want to, you know, I just got this used trailer, and I want to make sure that it has all the grease and everything like that, so you know, I don't have a problem later with it overheating the bearing and freezing up eventually. And you know, if you notice, I have a couple lug nuts missing, but we're gonna worry about that later. Like I said, I just got this is some AutoZone grease. Doesn't have to be anything flashy. It says all purpose, which means basically for anything, you know, any situation. Okay, so I put my gloves on. Also gonna wire up some lights for this thing, but we'll get into that later. So I got some gloves here. See? Alright, so we're gonna do that. Put the other one on. Okay, 1 second. Alright. So here's what we do here. You also get a piece of cardboard if you choose to. Put it on the ground here so you can't get very ugly. Alright, so you open up the grease here, and what you want to do is you want to, instead of, you know, globbing it up, you know, some people like to glob it all up around the bearing. I mean, you can do that too, but I mean, for this purpose here, what we want to do is we want to put the grease inside of here, because eventually, you know, when you're rolling down the road and, you know, going fast and what have you, you want to kind of fill this up. I'd say about halfway. Get it in there really good, right? Put it on in there. I don't know if you can see that, but you want to get it in there about halfway. Push it back in there, and we're good to go. It should look just like this. Okay, get that in there. Make sure it stays in there, because I mean, trust me, these trailers, when you ride down the road, especially with a load, you know, don't take much. That's a lot of velocity. Now you just stick it back up here and get it snug. Big old hammer like this. You just tap on it lightly. You know, you don't want to tap on it too much, then you might crack this cap. Then you have a problem, and you'll be kind of defeating the purpose. Just go around it, lightly tap on it until you see it's secure, and that's it. And you can check me out on my link. I'm gonna provide it to you on my YouTube page, on my Facebook, or whatever, and just holler at me. And like I said, you know, later on I'm gonna probably wire up the lights today, and Probably do a YouTube video on that too. All right.